FAO. We came for the FAO meeting. We need food to fill up the stomachs. Token is one of the products which is made by our local people in Eswatini, and we always also the lion represents the king. So as a symbol of our friendship and good ties. These are some of the products we make from Eswatini. We get it from some of the plants. Anything small for the cosmetics.
Questo è per lei.
This is for you.
Questo si fa qui nel Vaticano.
And it's a scene of the Vatican City.
Perché c'è Pietro e la cupola del Vaticano, si vede così.
As you can see, the statue of St. Peter and the dome of St. Peter's behind.
Di quest'anno.
This is my message for peace of this year.
Che io ho firmato oggi per lei.
Which I've signed.
Thank you very much. We must promote peace around the world.
Sono scritti che io ho fatto sulla salute, sul clima, tutto fatto qui. No?
These are some of the writings that I have produced.
Parte che sono in questa parte.
Climate change. We must all of us advocate the right message so that we can improve on this particular problem.